How to calculate monthly loan payment amounts. So Tom has a loan with an outstanding balance of $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 8% compounded quarterly. How much will Tom need to pay at the end of each month if he wishes to pay off his loan in 3 years? Okay, let's get calculating. So the solution, the interest needs to be converted from the nominal rate to the equivalent rate. So we'll go ahead and do this. So it is compounded quarterly. So that's where this comes from. And an 8% interest. That's where the 8. So we'll do. So we need to convert this from nominal to equivalent. So let's go ahead and do so. So we have, well, first clear the calculator, second function alpha 0, 0. And we'll do 4 and this XY button, and 8 because that's the interest rate. And then second function EFF, it's also the present value button. And it is 8.2432. So now let's calculate, that's the effective rate. Now let's get the equivalent rate. So he pays monthly. He's going to be paying at the end of each month. That's where this 12 comes from. So we clear this and we do 12 and the XY button. And then this is the effective interest rate that we just calculated, 8.2432. And then we do second function and ARP, which is also the PMT button, the payment button. And so our equivalent interest rate is 7.9472. So let's input, now that we have our interest rate, let's input this into the TMV equations in the calculator. All right, so the mode is end because he's paying at the end of each month. The present value is $10,000 because his loan has an outstanding balance of $10,000. The future value is 0 because he wants to pay it all off. I guess there's nothing to pay it all off. So pay off his loan, pay off. And the interest rate is what we just calculated, 7.9472, the equivalent interest rate. And it's divided by 12 because he pays monthly, and the payments, the interest need to match the payments, and the number of payments also need to match the frequency. So here we go, let's enter it into the calculator. So first we're going to clear the calculator, second function alpha 0, 0. And the mode is end, and we're already in end, so that's 10,000 present value, 0 future value, 7.9472 divided by 12 interest, 3 times 12 payments. And so what are 3.3 times 12 is the number of payments rather. So what is his payment each month if he wants to pay off his loan in 3 years? It is compute payment. It's $313.12. So Tom must make monthly payments of $313 to repay the loan balance in 3 years.